Hey everyone, it's Noimur here. Today, we're diving into how to monetize your blog and turn it into a profitable venture. Whether you're just starting out or you've been at it for a while, there's always something new to learn about making money from your blog. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through some of the most effective strategies for generating revenue from your blog step by step. We're going to cover everything from display advertising to selling your own products and services. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of the monetization methods that align with your blogging goals. Let's kick things off with one of the most common ways to monetize your blog display advertising. Think of it like renting out ad space on your blog. Every time a reader visits your site, they see these ads and you earn a little bit of money. The most popular platform for display ads is Google AdSense. It's incredibly easy to set up. You just create an account, paste some code onto your blog, and voila, ads start appearing. Another great option is Mediavine, which offers higher payouts but has stricter traffic requirements. The beauty of display ads is that they're relatively passive. Once you've got them up and running, you don't have to do a whole lot. They just work in the background, generating income while you focus on creating awesome content. Next up, let's talk about sponsored posts. This is where you collaborate with brands to create content that promotes their products or services. Brands get exposure to your engaged audience and you get paid for your creativity and influence. Finding sponsors can be as simple as reaching out to brands you love and think would resonate with your audience. You can also join influencer marketing platforms that connect bloggers with potential sponsors. When negotiating rates, remember your worth. Consider factors like your blog's traffic, audience demographics, and the scope of the sponsored campaign. Don't be afraid to negotiate a fair price for your time and effort. And remember, transparency is key. Always disclose to your readers that the post is sponsored. Now let's dive into one of my favorite monetization strategies, affiliate marketing. This is where you recommend products or services that you love and use yourself, and you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. The key here is to choose affiliate programs that align with your niche and resonate with your audience. For example, if you have a food blog, you might partner with cooking utensil companies or food subscription boxes. Once you're part of an affiliate program, you can seamlessly integrate your affiliate links into your blog content. The more value you provide to your readers and the more sales you drive, the more you earn. It's a fantastic way to monetize your blog while genuinely helping your audience discover products and services they'll love. Let's take your monetization game to the next level by selling your own digital products or services. This is where you leverage your expertise and create something valuable that your audience can purchase directly from your blog. One popular option is to create and sell ebooks. Think about the topics your audience is most interested in and package your knowledge into a comprehensive guide. You can also create online courses offering in-depth training and resources on a specific subject. If you prefer a more personalized approach, consider offering consulting services. The best part about selling your own products or services is that you have complete control over pricing, packaging, and delivery. Now, let's shift gears and talk about how to attract advertisers and sponsors to your blog. Because the more attractive you are to brands, the more opportunities you'll have to monetize your content. First and foremost, focus on building a high-traffic blog. The more eyes you have on your content, the more valuable you become to potential advertisers. Target a specific niche audience. Brands are willing to pay a premium to reach a targeted group of people who are genuinely interested in their products or services. Create a compelling media kit that showcases your blog's stats, audience demographics, and advertising rates. Think of it as your blog's resume, highlighting all the reasons why brands should partner with you. So there you have it, 5 powerful strategies to monetize your blog and turn your passion into profit. Remember, building a successful blog takes time and effort. Experiment with different monetization methods, track your progress, and see what works best for you and your audience. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on growing your blog and making money online.